Hey guys, what's up? It's AppTalk1. Today I'll be reviewing the Apple Wireless Keyboard, what I think about it, and the pros and cons. So let's first start with the box. So inside the box, you obviously get your keyboard, and underneath the keyboard, you just have your instruction manual. The base of the keyboard is made of aluminum with Apple's white chiclet keys on it. It runs on Bluetooth and requires 2 AA batteries. The keyboard is also unbelievably thin, and the design is really stylish. Typing on this keyboard is really comfortable. However, if you do have big hands, it doesn't really feel that good because the keys are actually pretty small. Overall, the keyboard is amazing. However, the only flaw I managed to find is that the keys are too small compared to other usual keyboards. But if you want a keyboard that has a sleek design, runs with only 2 AA batteries, I would definitely recommend this keyboard to you from Apple just for $69.